Yo, what's going on? What's going on? How we doing, guys? Wednesday, hump day. Right, we have had PPI this morning. It's coming lower than expected. We've got CPI tomorrow, haven't we? Yeah, CPI tomorrow. So markets have pushed up off the news. So Mars, we've got a big gap to fill. Potentially retrace into the over to the middle. Look at NQ. Moving my lines. Stoney, how you doing, mate? How are you? Not too bad, mate. Not too bad. Not too bad. What about you, brother? Bit behind as always, but let's have sorted out. Right, let's get a poll up. Let me know what your thoughts are. I like the idea of a pullback before a push up. I like the target being news candle high. Trouble is, I don't know if we'll I think if we push up initially and take the highs, we could fall back in for the rest of the session. My thoughts. Or maybe it could be an all-time high day. Yeah, I'd prefer it to go initial pullback and then up, take all-time highs. That's how I'd like it to go. If we get an initial push up right off the open and take the news candle high, potentially we just sweep it and fall back into the range. Maybe chop around a bit, or maybe we just keep blasting up. Maybe it's one of them days where it opens and just goes. Bad mate, good. Don't need good, man. Right, I don't think there's probably going to be any trades on the funded today. Feels like it's been a little while. Just taking a trade on the funded. How long has it been? Friday last week, not too bad. No news to worry about for the rest of the session. Unless you trade oil. This morning when I was marking up my charts, I like the look of a long from the previous day value or high, but I don't think we'll come back down there on ES. Good 35 points from where we are now. Need a clean win today, none of that chopping business. Yeah, I know, man. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? It would be nice. Fingers crossed. At least we're not opening within this zone. Sometimes if you open within it, it's not too bad. It can go quite well. Other times you can just go sideways, which is never fun. We're open, boys. We're open. Right, my micros and yeah. Get zoomed in. Oh man, what a place to short. I'd imagine it's going to be a reversal kind of job. Oh, still in play on the short. Alright, getting ready on the reverse. Alright, we're in long, we're in long. 13475. So news candle high will be 90 points. Is my P&L working today, guys? It is. Oh, good. How's it going? Joining after months, no more tops of accounts. Yeah, mate, still got them. Still got them. Just only taking the A plus ups. I do volume profile on the fundeds, and then I'm just trialing an indicator on a challenge account. No more the EMA? No, mate, no. I remember you had something with the EMA before. Yeah, mate, it was, I had something for about 4 months, and then it stopped working. Let me show you my P&L. So yeah, P&L this year. So this was doing the EMA, and it was probably around March time I started stopping. Because yeah, I just wasn't having a great time with it. December, I think, was pretty much break even as well. And yeah, took a big payout, took 900 on each count out. So then I had to scale down my risk to about $50 per trade per account. Until I sort of figured something else out. And I feel like I figured something else out, but I'm just sort of grinding away at it. Should be another reverse by the looks of it. 96750. Yeah, I enjoyed the maze. But I don't know, something about it I always had in my head that it was only going to be ever temporary. I didn't think it would work forever. At the end of the day, it's just a line on the chart, isn't it? But it was easy money, mate, while it was working. But yeah, I don't even look at them anymore, so it might still be working now, but it definitely the period where it stopped working, it wasn't sustainable, so. I want to potentially close this out, or it might time me to do it anyway. I've trailed my stop down. I feel like this could be a sweeper mat 941, so I'm stop losses it here. Basically a break even on it. Yeah, I'm out. Just feel like we swept a level. News candle low. Maybe we dump from here, but maybe we sweep it and push back up. Nathan, yo, how you doing, mate? What are you watching for? To be fair, I don't know if we'll get anything on the funders today, mate. I don't know if we'll get it. The only thing that I like the look of today was previous day value high at 518 on ES. That's a good dump away. So I don't think we'll get it. So potentially no trade on the funded. Bit annoying enough to basically close out or break even, but for me, we've just swept a level. Quite a big level. Yeah, we might push through it, but that could be it. Would have been better maybe just taking profit at 927 instead. Would have got 20 points out of it. Well, you may as actually been beneficial to my trading when I actually pay attention to it. I mean, what did I did the 21 EMA when I was doing it. EMA. But it's not going to be any good on a day like today. Let's have a look at yesterday quickly while we're still pushing down. I mean, yesterday would have been horrendous. It was choppy. Yeah, just not great. This would have probably been an entry here, which I'd have been stopped out on. Entered on the break of this candle. Looked like we'd started trending. Back up, retest the EMA. Stop, enter me in here, and then I'd have been stopped out. Yeah, we've had a lot more trending sessions now, haven't we? So yeah, there's a chance it might work a bit better these days. Taco, good morning, mate. I had a trade for like an hour and 56 minutes yesterday and smashed 8 profit and passed my 4 accounts. Nice, man, nice. That's a long trade for you, isn't it? You're a 1 minute scalper normally, aren't you? Probably getting a long entry here. Let me get rid of this. $13 EMA currently for me. You find the 13 works, right? That's what I don't like about EMAs. I feel like they sort of switch around. Like sometimes the 13 plays really well, sometimes the 21 does really well, sometimes the 8 does really well. And if you know when which one's going to do well, you'll be made for life. But I may possibly revisit it one day if I feel like we're gonna get a trending session. It could be something I could look at. But it's just hard to call if you're gonna get a trending session or not in it. I did go through a period of trying to look to see if I can sort of track like consolidation periods, consolidation sessions, and trending sessions, and sort of see if there's any sort of pattern with there'd be a certain amount of trending sessions and then you get a choppy session, but there isn't really anything. There's maybe slightly towards the side of if say London was choppy, New York AM might be trending, but not always. Sometimes you get 2 choppy sessions in a row, but a lot of the time it was only 1 choppy session in a row. So if you had a really choppy session the session before, technically speaking, it should be not too bad, but the data wasn't conclusive. So far in Keeler's week, but early yet. ES holding up, ES looking strong, not taking that news candle low yet. I'll go and celebrate some Taco Bell. Apparently Taco Bell's really shit. I've never had it. Really 5 minute, 1 minute for entry confirmation. Okay, yeah. My history shows trades over 30 minutes. My best. Okay, yeah. So normally when I'm holding trades that long, it's because it's choppy and going sideways and not going the way I want it to. My 30 EMA showed that high. Get from the 1 minute on NQ. Grab the trades to help me out there. Nice, mate, nice. That's definitely what the EMAs are good for, is just quick scalps. I know Brazilian Leo, I think, uses EMAs. EMAs with fibs, I think. I think he does quite well off them. I think I always struggled with reading if it was a choppy market or not. I'd be trying to short the 21 EMA when it's going sideways. A bit silly, really. Still no laptop. They said it's cooked, but I'm gonna go today and buy one. My documents are on my Microsoft Drive, so I'm good. Really just wanted my trading journal and my journal that outline my strat. Oh yeah. How's it cooked, man? Like, it's only what you say, like 2020. There's no reason why a laptop that's 5 years old should be broken. Unless you've been downloading dodgy stuff, mate. It should be fine. Just be careful they're not taking you for a ride and get you to buy a new laptop with them. Was that a long entry? It was a long entry. We're long. 930.25. Stop loss. Couldn't quite work out if that was on the previous candle or the new candle. Pretty glad I got out of this trade then, this short. Could have taken more profit on it, really. Should have thought about it. News candle low, we're probably going to sweep it at least another, even if it's a minor pullback. Yeah, I wish I got a bit more out of it, but it's going to be another reverse. 955.25. Whoa, what's going on here? A74. Right, I've got my stop loss at low day. Be a 63-point move, I'll be happy with that. ES just about holding up, but if ES starts breaking down, Nasdaq would dump, I think. Might come for that fair value gap left on the 5-minute candle market open, or it could just flush. Absolutely dumped, didn't it? Motherboard is gone, mate. It couldn't have just gone walkabouts. Must be somewhere. Probably from something that spilled on it like a year ago. Okay, yeah. Yeah, I mean, stuff like that is a bit different. But is it Apple, is it? Mac? Because if it's normal PC, I would have thought you better replace the motherboard. I suppose just if it's worth it or not, innit, I suppose. Request to retrace because it broke an hourly high. Now just waiting for the confirmation it's ready to buy again. We might get it. This might be the low. Bar here, nice bit of volume on it. Yes, holding up still. Just activate my other 4 express funders. This time something has to be different, and that's me. The last 15 express funders being cut from breaking rules and trading sessions beside New York. Yeah. Yeah, attacker definitely. I think if you hear yourself saying, right, I think I'm going to call it a day, go on to and lock yourself out so you physically cannot. It won't let you do it. And as well, if you have a decent win, say your first trade or something, call it a day there. Like, there's no need. If you're up a couple of hours or something on one trade, call it a day. I don't know sort of what you trade, if you do one-to-ones or what, but yeah, if you're up a decent amount on your first trade, call it a day. There's no need to go back in. You may as well end the day, high morale. You'll come back tomorrow with fresh mind. And yeah, it will help with the emotions then, because yeah, I think you might have a couple of decent winning trades and you'll have like a big loss or something, but then that's it. You're then trying to chase it, yeah. So yeah, try and trial it, but at least if you have one decent winning trade, call it a day, lock yourself out, and go and enjoy the rest of your day. Up to you, of course, but I think the one trade a day rule is very good for like emotions. I think if that's something you would wanted to try, win or lose, you get one trade a day. Make it one, it helps you make it the best trade of the day that you can sort of see or find, rather than just taking any old trade. And 2, whatever the outcome, the emotions won't then affect the next trade, because you'd have slept the night and woken up fresh minded. Because I mean, let's face it, if you have a loss, you're emotional because you've had a loss. If you have a win, you could be overconfident and take another trade that you shouldn't necessarily take. Do you know what I mean? So I think one trade a day is a good rule. Leo, good morning, sirs. How you doing, mate? Literally have on the 50 funded from different props. Trades Loki might be more Jesus. I mean, yeah, take my my 2 cents, whatever you want to take it as. But yeah, that if it was me, that's what I would be sort of considering doing, because I think you can trade because you get to the funded level very easily, but it's just the emotions I think that has the effect on you. So yeah, try and do what you can to combat that, innit, man. But I'm putting good vibes out there for you, Taco. You'll smash it, mate. You'll smash it. Clear your accounts on winning days. That way your drawdown doesn't affect your site yet. Discipline isn't on our nature. Has to be going out 100%, yo, man. 100%. We are born to be greedy. We are born to be fearful. Like, it's literally naturally baked into us. Price action tough so far, needs to show direction. Yeah. WZS is still holding up in it. Yeah. Until ES does something, we're not going anywhere. ES is in a range, Nasdaq's in a range. Alright, Express Funds is at 3,500 right now, 500 days. Waiting to grow the other 4 to 4k, then withdraw yet. But to be fair, man, if you're at 5 winning days and you're at 3,500, consider a payout. It doesn't have to be massive, just so maybe a few hundred. Covers your costs slightly, a little morale boost. Potentially getting a reversal. Nine, 2, 2, 5. Lewis, yo, I can't remember if I said hello to you or not, mate. I did see ya, but I don't know if I said yo to ya. How you doing, Lewis, mate? You alright? Are you back to trading this week? Coming in for the music from the Fed. Sure, everything now. Yes, looking strong so far. Could be the breakout. Looks like we're going to get a nice close in this 5-minute bar on ES. Yeah, fairly bullish close. Would have been nice if we took the this little high here, but for everyone the proper everything their triggers of 150k accounts. You only have 5k to lose, man. What the fuck's 150k about? Yes, that's what rules brings you in, innit? You think, well, 150k in funding. But yeah, the reality is you have your drawdown and that's it. No one's giving you 150 grand to trade with. I mean, this is how I try and treat my funders. I don't think of it as a 50k account. I think of it as whatever my balances account, which is $1,000 each at the minute. That fair value gap I was talking about. Oh yeah, you did say about Estonia, didn't you? Or the opening bar one. 15 minutes to me is looking pretty bullish, to be honest. 5 minute, maybe not 15, but yeah, nice big wick underneath that news candle high. Now we're pushing up. If we get a nice bullish close on this, it could be nothing but green, boys. That's a high swept, little retracement off of that. There's the ball run on the 15 looks strong, yeah, man. Give you leverage for 150k on a 5k drawdown, yeah. Madness, isn't it? I think it's great, but yeah, I think people don't tend to realise what you're actually getting. It just doesn't have the oh, fuck me, man. This doesn't have the same effect, does it? Imagine a prop firm like, oh yeah, we will fund you, we'll give you a $2,000 funded account. You'd be like, what? I'd rather go for the one that's $50, 50,000. And yeah, in reality, if you had 50,000 sitting in your account, you might be out for trading like 1 mini or something like that. But if you only had 2,000 in your account, you probably wouldn't trade 1 mini. You'd be trading 1 micro. For the day, hit my profit on that 920 zone. Nice, Leo, mate, nice. Must have made at least 20 plus scalps. Quick 200 for Nathan. Scalp, but I don't see much, to be honest, unless some big moves up or down. Proper sport. Yes. I don't love how much we retrace on here, man. A little retracement, fine, but just hoping that we don't just fall back into the range kind of thing. We don't need another range bound day. Five minute on the yes isn't great. Told you buyers, I'm not ready to trade yet. I'm on my phone yet. Good man, Taco. Keep it that way. Wait until you got your laptop back, mate. If you do end up trading, get off my stream. You don't need to be watching my stream. Get off my stream and just focus on trading. Nice response there from my entry. Oh, come on, man. Do something. Do something. Just I'm going to call it when I'm up for the day. Give more of my attention to my youngest son and less to the charts. Like, yeah, mate, that's not a bad idea, mate. Not a bad idea, mate. Enjoy it. Enjoy it. Nice one being up for the day as well, mate. Yeah, cheers for stopping by. He's 2 now, wants to play all day. I bet he's like a puppy, man. You know when puppies are just like non-stop. Look forward to that. Nah, that's awesome, man. Yeah, go and enjoy it, mate. Go and enjoy it. I'll see you tomorrow if you're about. I might not be around tomorrow because I've got a job thing going on. I don't know if I'll be back in time, but if I'm not, I'll see you Friday. Nathan, I'm not going anywhere, mate. I'm still here. See you later, mate. Oh, a bit of sideways action. Not the best of closes on the 15-minute. Let's get some movement. I think if we break the news candle high on ES, we could be looking good, but maybe we just have a pre-CPI chop day. Getting in the bottom of the alley, so I'm gonna chill. Gonna go to Best Buy and get a laptop. Fair play, mate. Yeah, this definitely isn't price action worth trading at the minute, mate. Yeah, don't get anything major new laptop wise. You only need just something basic, don't you, with decent enough RAM. I should see you. No, just spend a fortune on it. I want it a little nice though, since it's my career basically. That's how I'm thinking about it. Yeah, I mean, a good way to think about it, mate, if you when you start taking shitloads of payouts and start making really good money on it, you can just sell the one you've got and upgrade, can't you? But I mean, in reality, you don't need some really high tech setup. You can make do with something cheap, as long as it's sort of modern and yeah, good RAM for speed. You don't have to get anything major, but then yeah, upgrade when you're in a position to do it, mate. That's sort of the way I try and look at it. I've got two screens now. I would like 6 one day, but there's not really any point until I make the money to pay for it, kind of thing. But having more screens isn't going to make me a better trader. Just looks cool on the desk, doesn't it? Right, I'm going to be looking to trail around the session highs. Hopefully blast straight through and higher day could be in play, but I told Nathan it was bars like 60-70 points to go, but I couldn't enter. All good, yeah, mate. It's all good, man. That's all good. You've got errands to run today, mate. You can't be trading. Go and get yourself a laptop. Fast, but just good that I got the right direction. Yeah, man. It really isn't hard for me. It's being dumb. That's what I keep saying to you, man. It's you can clearly trade because you can easily get onto the funded accounts, can't you? It's just the emotions creep in when it's a funded. Well, you fell off my chair then, boys. That'd be funny, wouldn't it? Live on the internet. Oh, the 15-minute rejecting. Similar to the 5 minute I told you about, is if you have 5 minute close, got a previous 5 minute candle. I think it works when it retraces, wait for 1 minute, and bounce back to the recent high. Nice, man. What's your win rate on it, like during back testing, or what sort of, how much data you got on it? Just that crude oil inventory news. Not like that's going to make much difference to our situation, I don't think. $60.70 is my strat. The working low for just a variation. Okay, cool, man. 60-70 is good. I always find it's helpful having like a higher win rate strategy because it's just for general like morale purposes. And yeah, I mean with a 60-70% win rate, you can make one-to-ones work. If you're getting more than that, great. If I eliminate trading it near the highs after buys or the lows after sales, I think it'd be like 80 to be. Yeah, nice. It was skewed from over leverage and revenge, and yeah. But that's why I said like during a back testing session, because it should be like fairly consistent. But yeah, like with the fundeds, then like being profitable on the combines and then not the fundeds and stuff, your data will be all over the place, won't it? That's what I said about the back testing, because then it's like purely strategy, not emotion. Do you know what I mean? So it should be accurate data if you're trading it correctly, kind of thing. That is not a 9, is it? If I'm reading this right, there's about 900 cells sitting at 560 on ES. Which is about 9 times where the limit order sat at every other price. So yeah, 560 could be interesting if we get back up to there on ES. Yes, rolling over. Nasdaq's still holding up though, really, in comparison to ES at the minute. Oh. 18-point range on ES. A 100-point range on Nasdaq, which isn't too bad, but then when you think the majority of it was that one opening bar, it's just, yeah, range and fun. Actual range really 86 points. Oh, those limit orders set at 560 on ES has been pulled. Sorry boys, this is so boring, but not much we can do about price action. The 5 minute looks horrible. Anyone trade in this range? Right, slowly pushing the highs again. We are slowly climbing up. We just keep getting rejected, don't we? Absolutely tits-all volume in the market today, isn't there? Buckled Will, how you doing, fella? How you been, man? How you been? Your trading been going alright? September price action hasn't been amazing. Not bad, steady trading, nice, man, nice. Do you swing trade, don't you? Is that right? Hold for a few days. Probably a bit easier in these conditions. You avoid the choppiness. Try to. I'm surprised the Nasdaq's holding up as well as it is, to be honest, with the ES dropping lower. Very surprising. Trying to be disciplined, but by just using hard time frames. Yeah, that's a good way to be, mate. So I think you'll avoid a lot of the shit weeks we've had. Successful trading is supposed to be boring, yeah. Had you on in the background while I shout. Oh man, that's a true fan, that is. Here it failed to make a new high, so we're doing nothing. Most likely had to test the lower zone, yeah. I'm a YouTube teacher that helped me click understand price actions. Perfect my strategies off YouTube. All his videos have gone different. Oh man, what happened? Who was it? Was it someone I would know? Why do they go for? Very rare people just delete themselves. I'm sure at one point I realised they weren't posting. It was, oh, I may be there. Tracking etc. Search them up and all gone. Any interviews etc. left of them still around. Oh man, that's unusual. Quick scalp on gold. Is gold doing anything more interesting than Nasdaq, is it? Not really. Bit of a flush, but other than that, not really. Page name was Technical Effects, did weekly market analysis ideas and just taught price action, but I'm gonna told him when I make it I'd have my own YouTube and shout him out, but he's got no, it's not one I've heard of. Yeah, it's a shame though, isn't it? Like when like a mentor just disappears like that. Thank you so range today. I know, man. I mean, this for a 1 minute chart is horrendous. Literally 45-point range in the last hour. Dropping a long-term rip up, but I think could be running out of steam 100%, man. But to be fair, you could have been saying that for the last 3 months. I mean, the last 3 months we've basically trended, haven't we? Not consolidated, sorry. I thought gold could potentially roll over, but we've having a push up. I mean, is it Wyckoff that looks at consolidation, fake move, and then the real move, expansion down? Could be a little Wyckoff move. The fake out before the major sell-off, potentially. This is a daily chart. But yeah, when gold gets going, it just goes, doesn't it? So just keep pushing ES down. This couple of days gold could pull back 3577-ish, do you reckon? I'll have a look in a sec. I'm just thinking about getting out of this trade. I've just trailed my stop right up to 96275. I can't be asked for this anymore. No volume in it. If we do push up, lovely. If we don't, then I don't want to be giving much more than back. We're around 20 points up at the minute on this trade. We're at 96275. Yeah, around here. Seven. Stop loss is here. Any profit is good profit. That's it, mate, on a day like today. There you go, I'm out. I'm out. You watch all that. We'll run now. So that was 19.5 points on that trade. Down 200 on the day. 500 on the week. Woohoo! What's happening here? Oh, ES just dumped a little bit. You watch now, we'll absolutely rock it off. You watch. The volume has suddenly appeared. Right, 3577-ish. Let's have a look at that in gold. Yes, mate. I think you're definitely right. I think. Yeah, be a sweep of this little low that we had here. And then a tap of this little wick as well. Very reasonable pullback. I don't know, I mean, I like the idea of a big sell-off and sweeping the low of this this consolidation. Maybe not yet, maybe January. Late December, January maybe. I shall probably cheers, Taco, mate. Once it goes a little, probably, yeah. But we had a load of limit orders on ES that was suddenly, what was it at? Sort of 4.5, 4.6. Yeah, around the 4.6 level. So we shot down to fill that. And it looks like we let me get ES up on here. It looks like all the orders are filled. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we got a little bounce here. Is that current day value low as well? Right, boys, if anyone want to call it, I need to go and have something to eat. I'm starving, I feel a bit sick. And I mean, your stomach's just that empty. I don't know what I've eaten today. I had a sausage egg muffin, not from McDonald's, homemade one. Which is not too bad actually, but yeah, not enough to sustain me all day. Yes, take it easy, guys. I may or may not be streaming tomorrow. I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. So yeah, it just depends if I'm back in time or not. So if I'm not around tomorrow, I'll be around Friday, guys. Yeah, have a good one all. Take it easy if you're still trading. It's not nice conditions. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow or Friday. Have a good one, guys. See you later.